Right here waiting, excited for today.
Huh? Yeah, I think I'll be fine. We got our water. All right, let's just we're not wearing you food. Take it though. Where you want? Over here, where? No, on this side.
Up the beach, you can go right in the water. You can rent some beach chairs, chillax, out of pina colada. Okay? Eat some lobster, eat some shrimp, support the locals. Okay?
Look, there's a little crab. All right. We just got back from snorkeling. We decided not to take the GoPro. We just didn't have any floaties or any real way to kind of make us feel safe of not dropping it. Plus, I'm not the best swimmer, so I wanted to.
There's a little fishy. He just went under the rock.
But we just got back from that. It was about 45 minutes. It was really pretty. Lots of good fish. Lots of good creatures. There was conchs and little baby starfish and what are those spiky things? Urchins. Brandy's over here finding flounders. I don't know if that's what they're called though.
No, the little flat ones that go on their sides of the flounders.
So then now it looks like some of the other boats are coming in. You can kind of, sort of, you can't see our ship from here. It's kind of that way. This way's to the north. This is south. So we'll head that way to Cozumel tomorrow. What'd you think of snorkeling at GOFF'S CAYE?
It was really beautiful. I mean, it was crystal clear down to the bottom, a lot of variety of fish. And our guide was awesome. He kept diving down and grabbing starfish and conch shells. I tried to dive down.
Did you try?
Yeah, I don't have like enough
It's also
body mass to like get deep in the salt water.
I wouldn't say it's terribly choppy today, but like it was hard if you had to swim against that current. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I gotta go slow with my. I didn't bring water shoes. I guess they go barefoot, but they've also got
Coral creek.
little
There's
coral.
like broken coral everywhere.
Yeah, so.
The part of the coral reef. The coral reef.
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
Ooh, really far up.
This is what we're walking on.
Yeah, so bring water shoes or sandals that have like a heel on them. You'll be just fine walking through this stuff.
Like these.
Yeah. So there's your island. I believe they've got 2 sets of food areas. I was trying to listen to the guy when he was taking us in from the ship for the very first time. And he was talking about how the food under here that's being cooked is the same guy for like 15 years is way down here cooking that. And then
Grill.
Yeah.
Grill man.
And then this other tent is a new guy that's only been here for a couple of weeks.
He's the fry man.
Yeah. And so you can get food from either one. We decided not to get any food because, again, this excursion was 8 to 12. 8 a.m. to about 12 p.m. is when they'll send us back to the ship. So we'll just get lunch on the ship.
I got it. Look how pretty.
Turn it around. Turn it around. see what else we can find.
I know, there's like a lot of good random stuff. So I would do this again, but I wouldn't party so hard the night before.
Yeah, it's not bad. You just know that you're going to be on a rocky boat, and then you're going to be in rocky waves, and you're going to be in a rocky boat again, and you're limited on food. So if for some reason you didn't have a big breakfast, you know, you got to bring cash for the food, which we do have, but we'll wait till we get on the ship.
So now I'm having a rum punch, enjoying the view. There's a lot of fish. Oh look, there's some minnows. I saw a flounder right in here in these rocks, and now I cannot find him. That's pretty cool.
Put on your mask now. Back to reality. Post a review, let the world know you had an unbelievable time. Remember, you gotta see to believe it. Guys, tip is not mandatory, but it's gonna be highly appreciated, and it's gonna be shared among the entire crew. Alright, so thank you once again. Happy New Year. Enjoy your cruise. Hasta la vista. Bye bye. Thank you.